Good morning, baby. What's up? Honey, got to. Oh, yeah, baby. I remember somebody don't tell us me I go do that. Stop deep and think me now go do it. I told you. Right? This morning, me decide, said, all right, then we are going to lie down and just sort out everything and get back to everybody who try to contact me and so because me dep online. Me not get for deal. Me not get for contact you people them. So me not go dep online today. Right? Me did it right now with you. So I come off and I go see me come back up right now. None tall. By the way, none tall. Me not click live for today. God no. Feel like everything what I want to do, I just want to do it on YouTube. I can't bother them people here, man. How a ball? What you a ball for? Why are you crying? What happened? Really, guys? Really? Really? No, man, I can't. No, sir. Not at all. Good morning, you okay? Morning, baby. No. I can't take people submit every day, sir. Every day, sir, we love you. Every day, sir. No, man. I can't take people so negative every day in my ears wall. Martin. For God's sake, give me something, you know? Yeah, go on. Okay, yeah. Guys, me not lie, me have a great day planned today. Me didn't go carry on with me and so, but no, I can't take negative people them. If me could have like sub my chat and do what me I do today. Me can't take no negative people in my ears. People are trying to come at me inbox, round box, half a box. No, today is just my day, alright? Today belongs to me and me only. Today, my eyelash I go come off and me get my eyelash done. Get my soap for my face. Today is just me. You understand? Me don't want you nobody come in and come tell me nothing make me have to feel upset. No. Today is just my day. Yeah. I have a great night last night. I'm not lying, I have a wonderful night last night. Yeah, the night was great. And you know how great it is? You don't have to end up like, I don't know if no woman understand this, but you don't have to have sex with a person to have a perfect night. And that is so great. Like, you don't have to have sex with a person to say you have a wonderful night. You can just cuddle, talk, laugh, and just enjoy yourself. My night was great, like no joke. So me not make like uno come and mess me up and makes my mouth long up. And that is something that me don't want to deal with it anymore. Me not like me get up with the national anthem on my mind. Oh this Sir Gwan. Me get up with the national anthem. Yeah. Eternal Father bless me man. Guide us, swimming when cocky long. Oh Lord God, me I make a song for you, me I make an anthem for you, me I make a national anthem for you. Girl, I don't have to have sex with a person to enjoy yourself. Sometimes just cuddling, talking, you know, looking at each other's eyes and tell how you feel. It are one of the best feelings. You understand? Yeah. A lot of people, yeah. I don't business about your skeleton head where you want to put in my comments. I don't care. Yeah. Fox Dons. I don't care if you want to say infatuation, information. I don't care what you want to say. You know, when I think with uno people, enough of uno ladies out there feel like say, all right, I'm show you this. I have a friend. Thank you, baby. And my friend say, if no man no suck her pum pum, the man don't love her. My friend tell herself, say, in her life, she have to deal with a man. She have to deal with a man who eat pum pum. And if a man no eat the pum pum, she can't please. Yeah. That's a, well, her name is say how this. Thank you, baby. Yeah, I'm telling you about my friend. You understand me? And enough women think that type of way there on earth. You understand me? The only way a man can please her, only way they can get a man is like them have to eat them pum pum. You understand me? Doing sex with them feel comfortable. Now, let me tell you something. You see when you find a man, but definitely him can do him work good. And none tell him not eat pum pum. I call the man there, yeah, one of the realest. Because guess what, enough man go around and eat pum pum. You don't even know who for pum pum him eat out there. You know, one of the things can turn me off if when you dis meet a man and the first thing he tell you say, he want you eating pum pum. If you want me eat a man, if you want me see a man turn me off, when me and a man dis meet, and the first thing I go come tell me about baby, you know, some more that eat out your pum pum. Hey, I want to lick you down with a big stone now. Now one big stone there head back. Because the first thing coming on my mind, how much pum pum you eat before you come here, so? How much pum pum you eat before you reach my pum pum? You understand? And you in my face with your pum pum breath. Maybe you just don't eat my neighbor pum pum and you come eat out mine. I eat a man with them this style there. You say if a man a look me and the first thing he put argument to me, I come tell me say you want to eat my pumps. Right there, so the whole argument done. Lift up, move from me, so go away. Run away. Yeah. You see a man who can manage them woman and have sex with them woman without even eat them pum pum. Me I say one of the realest that I know every man eat pum pum. I know every man eat pum pum. I know yeah pum pum sweet. But I know every man eat pum pum. You have to give it up to the man them when you eat pum pum. You have to give it up to the man them where us work pum pum. Them not eat pum pum. You have to give it up to the man them. Give it up to the man them where us work pum pum the right and proper way. When pum pum get work, you go sleep. You're tired. You can't do nothing more. Give it up to the G them when you have to work pum pum. When what she say? Mom say, pum pum my feet. Mom's in the comment section say, pum pum my feet. Girl, no, not this morning where I give it up to the real nigga them when I eat pum pum. But now like you have to salute the man them when I eat pum pum. Big woman thing. Give it up to the real niggas them when I eat pum pum when I for work pum pum right and proper way and put woman for sleep. You don't want a man put you for sleep, rock my baby. Girl, I never get a good lash in your time when you drop asleep become like a coma. Your man never work yet till when you drop asleep become like a coma, girl. Yeah, you need some of them sex there. You need some of them sex there and take your mind off of the eating pum pum part. You know, so I eat my friend them. You know, for my friend them in the comment section and the pum pum for eat. Girl, me never say no. Me never say. YouTube, yeah, YouTube, guys, man, come on. Bye-bye. Love you. Guys, we're gonna have a good day today. Alright? We're gonna have a wonderful day today. It's gonna be a great day today. Guys, you're gonna love it. Alright? I'm not sure more on TikTok with all of this. Alright? So don't leave. It's gonna be on YouTube and part of the settings me I go link I just come on. Me understand, baby, but me have work to do, and if me sit down online, me now go get what I want to do today. And guys, remember say him surprise me. Come on, guys, and you see if you go over there in the comment section, that's why me not roll with you guys. Uno not be my bestie. No, me serious because me I want a friend and next me they attack on the road gone over there so go and tell him things. Me not like that. So those say no. I mean not say nothing. So we're going to do something today. I can't tell you guys because I'm not informer. No, not real dan gagan informer. Yeah, man, not informer, man, not pipe, no leak quick. Yeah, YouTube. Come tag yeah. Okay, somebody said oh, my moderator do that. Moderator, grab do the YouTube for me now. Moderator, yeah, see there. That guys, that's a big page, a main page. Alright? That's the main page. Eternal Father, bless my man. When I don't make that song today, I'm going to put it on TikTok. Guide me through, me know the cocky long. Yeah, new anthem, a new anthem for Kevin, one and only anthem. Me I go build. Me I build a anthem for him. I don't care. Come out of my comment section. All when me a 70-year-old, me I go on so. You're not going to see me when me a 70. When me a 70, me still enjoy my life. When me a 70, me still get trouble. When me say me a 70, me still go talk up the things them out of my mouth. And when me a old man at that time, me I go get trouble and talk big things. Girl, go and go enjoy your life and come off of my life, yeah, man. Because your life sad. You crazy? Move from me so right now me a 16. I don't know my age. I need to find my birth paper. I don't know where my birth paper is. Right now, I love to enjoy myself with people where I can enjoy life with. Come off of my page, your life miserable. One life me have to live, talk truth. Yeah, I don't know where you go. Right now, I don't know my age. All my belly big, me think it flat. Yeah, me do Lulu bar. I swear to God, all my belly big, me think it flat to me do Lulu. Me a 16-year-old. Me not lie to you. I want to go play Chinese skip. I want to play Ring of the Rosie. Yeah, I want to play Boom Pom Wall. Yeah, I want to play Dolly House underneath the bed. I want to play Dolly House with the lights off. Live with Annie. Tell them again, baby. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Sasha bless, thank you. Acha no, wanna come over here for?
What
want to do it here, so?
We just done play the best of three. Me win 2 times and she win the last one.
Right, babes. Alright.
Hey, can I see Mika face? Let me see Zoe face now, please. Please, Zoe. Hi, beauty.
I'm gonna let the filter your angel like you know.
You like
I'm going to now ways that you can push on one another. Let me see it here.
little Philly.
Hey, pretty.
Smurf,
You're
Smurf.
beautiful, mama.
Snipe no. Yeah.
All right, go do your breakfast at 8 o'clock or so 9 o'clock. Go and do the breakfast.
Alright.
Zoe, do the breakfast, yeah. But Alex trim. Alex
Just
trim.
want Anad. This one want Anad. Please.
Mika, Alex son gone, Sharon gone.
Use the double chat. Use the double chat. Use the double chat.
Use up the double chat, please.
Guys, thank you. Everybody at double tap, guys. Thank you
Guys,
so
use
much.
up the double, guys. We don't want to feel like me and copy them, you know. So use
No,
up the
Zoe
double.
not going to
Tanya,
no school.
with bells, guys. Come
No,
on,
Zoe's
come on,
not
guys.
going
We
to
need
no
an Anad
school.
in our money gun. One money gun. Whoa, me call feet. You reach. Thanks so much to the money gun. Me even know your name because your name is not so
Girl, wrong, guys. She wrong,
God, me
guys.
just call her C.
Guys, me now go the online, she go the online, right?
See me again, one follow.
Very beautiful. Thank you. Guys, me now go the online, go over me,
See,
alright?
you don't really have a name
she
right
wrong.
here. So come on, guys, push up his score.
Bye-bye. Later. Love you.
Eh?
Love you. Go on around. Wrong with me.
Oh, so
Alright, guys, my got to go. Alright, me charge up your phone. Cause you see, if me not go if me not give you guys no YouTube video, first thing I go say, Annie, where YouTube video? Annie, where this day? Annie, that day. Right? So, guys, later. Love you. Why Ovex? Why Ovex? Bye, alright, take care. Babe. You alright? You ready now? Come now. Go do it. Come off a line.
I play 2 more match.
Really?
Yeah, but you can go and get ready, baby.
Alright, go on, come off. Bye. Go and play match with somebody.
No, go and get ready. You need to go and get ready.
But me no want the online, babes. Me go do my YouTube. I'm going to do YouTube. I'm not doing any more match, sweetheart. Alright? Go and go play with somebody. Alright, baby. Not true. No goddamn match. It's the sake of this match thing, we just step online the whole day. I love you. And you. Oh God, see there. No, on YouTube. Oh my God, see there. See there. I eat me a fret about, you know. I miss you guys too. I miss you guys. Guys, una go see me today. Una go tired for see me today. Una go see me today. Una go tired for see me today. I promise you guys, I feel bad. I swear to God, I even did want to come up with it. I feel so bad. I'm upset too on YouTube. I'm so, guys, I'm sorry. Honestly, all of my YouTube family, I'm so sorry. Because the man, the look of love go fly up in my head. The look of love go fly up in my head and them something I'm just get over happy and excited. But not lie to you guys. I'm so sorry, life with Annie. I'm so sorry. I apologize, guys. I feel bad. But today, I make it up too, no? I'm not gonna love it. I promise you guys. Say, Annie, well make up. Right? Guys, if you don't love it, you don't comment and say, Annie, I forgive you. When you see the video that my job today, you're gonna say, Annie, I forgive you. Alright? Yeah, just give me that time there. Yes, I missed the YouTube. Baby, I got you today. Okay, later. Alright, guys, later. Let me prepare my cell phone, alright? Hey, girl, I open over my YouTube and kiss your teeth, you know. Make sure, you know, you brush your dirty teeth, them. Make sure, you know, over there, come kiss up your teeth. Oh, I don't want your dirty teeth over there. Thank you, baby. Later, guys. Bye-bye. Alright, boo.